you ever listened to a podcast? Have you ever wondered what makes a podcaster? And how you can be one too? Hi, I'm Leela Shiv Shankar Prickett.
And I'm Lindy Prickett, and together we produce Newsy Paloozy,
the weekly world news podcast for kids. In this course, we'll share our top tips and tricks to become a podcaster in no time. You'll see, it's pretty simple and so much fun. We're gonna take you through all the steps, starting with a simple idea to producing a whole podcast.
Everything from researching to writing, recording, and releasing your podcast.
We'll even share some secrets on how we got started with our podcast and gathered a huge following. Don't worry, we've got you covered. So join us and jump into the amazing world of podcasting, only on DIY.org.
Oh, hey there! Head on over to DIY.org for fun projects, how-to videos, TV shows, and a global community of kids just like you. Okay, bye!